In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently export profiles from AdsPower. Whether you're managing multiple profiles for different projects or simply looking to back up your data, exporting profiles is a crucial skill to master. So, let's get started by diving into the AdsPower platform. First, you'll want to open AdsPower and navigate to the Profiles tab. This is your dashboard for managing all the profiles you have set up within the platform. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with this interface, as it provides quick access to update and manage your data. Once you're here, you'll see a list of all the profiles you have created. Now, the next step is to locate the specific profile or profiles you wish to export. If you have a lengthy list, take advantage of any available search or filtering tools to streamline the process and quickly find what you're looking for. Being organized and precise at this stage will save you effort in the long run. Once you have your desired profiles in sight, click the checkbox located on the left side of each profile you want to export. This action will select the profiles, indicating to the software which ones you're planning to work with. Make sure you've accurately chosen all necessary profiles before proceeding to the next step to avoid multiple rounds of exports. Now that your profiles are selected, look for the export option in the AdsPower interface. You'll want to hover over or click on Export and then choose Export Selected. This step moves you into the next phase of the process, tailoring what exactly you wish to export. At this point, you will need to decide on the details of the export. AdsPower gives you the flexibility to choose what to include in your export file, such as basic info, proxy information, cookies, and other data points. Be thoughtful about your selections, considering what information will be most valuable for your intended use. This level of customization allows you to tailor the exported data to your specific needs and preferences. When you're satisfied with your selections, AdsPower will get to work and generate a file for you. You'll have the option to download this file in either .json or .csv format. Each format has its own advantages, so choose the one that best suits your needs. JSON is often more compatible with developers and automated systems, while CSV can be easily accessed with spreadsheet programs for data analysis or reporting. And there you have it. By following these clear, straightforward steps, you can effortlessly export your desired profiles from AdsPower. Whether for safekeeping, sharing, or analysis, you now have the knowledge to manage your profile data efficiently. Thank you for joining me today, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any further questions. Happy exporting!